Hello, this is Chris from Polytech, and in this video we are going to learn how to add a pie chart to our site using the Element Kits plugin and the Elementor page builder. First, we need to move over to the left bar where it says plugins. We are going to click on add new, and on the search bar we are going to type Elements Kit. This is the one we are going to use, Elements Kits, Elementor's add-on. It will add some widgets and some templates to our site, and among them is the pie chart widget. So we are going to click on install now, and then we are going to click on activate. There we go. Now we are going to the name of the site and we are going to click on visit site. Here we are. Now we are going to the top bar and we are going to click on edit with Elementor. There we go. Now we are going to scroll down to an open section like this one. On the widget search bar we are going to type pie, and this is the widget, pie chart. So we are going to click with the left mouse button, hold, drag and release on the open section. So here we go. We have the content tab, pie chart style, simple and with content. We can use it only the chart, but we are going to use it with content. There we go. We have a title and a description. On the chart content, it could be a percentage or it could be an icon if we want, like this. But for the example, you can change the icon for the icon library, or you could use your own image if you want. But in this case, we are going to use the percentage only. So we can change it to whatever number we want. So we're going to use 47, and we can change the title to, I don't know, title little one, and we're going to change the description to description 1. So we have the content type static, or it could be a flip card. So we can use a flip card. So when we hover the mouse, the title and description show up on the card like this. We are going to use this one because I think it looks rather good and I really like it, but you could use the static version. So we are going to move now to the style tab, so we can change the title color, this one, and maybe we're going to use this light blue here. As you can see, we can change the typography. By default we use the theme font. We can change the size, the weight, transform it, change the style, decoration, line height and letter spacing for the type. We are going to leave those as they are, and we can add some margin. It has by default 20px bottom margin, so we are going to leave those options be, and we are going to move to the content. So for the content we can change the color to in the same manner as you can see. The typography we can add margin, and in this case we can select the alignment for the content. So we are going to leave it center, and we are going to move to the flip card. So it's using a gradient by default, as you can see. So we are going to use maybe more of a solid color. So we're going to choose a black, and the second color is going to be black too, so it doesn't have such a tight gradient. Well, it's going to have to be gradient because it seems it's the only option. You're gonna have a color background in this version, it seems. So you can change the color of the gradient and the location like this. As you can see, it moves. So you will have more black and white. There we go. If you put the location on 100, we have a black background like this. So location to both primary and secondary color to 100, and a linear or radial, it doesn't make a difference in this case. So we can add some padding too, and we are going to move to the chart. So we have the size of the pie chart. We can make it a little bit bigger, as you can see. The size of the border. When we can make it a little bit thicker like this. And the color type, normal and gradient, we are going to use a normal one. So we can choose some light blue, like the title and the content, and the color background for the pie chart. As you can see, now it's gray, and the number of the color of the number, so we are going to use the same gray as to the background of the chart. And we can add a background, we can add some padding to the wrapper, box channel, and a classic background. Maybe a green, so it shows some constant. And we can add an image too if we want, on some hover to it. Let's see how it works. In the flip card, it will not show much. So we are going to leave it green and without a hover. So we have our flip card pie chart, and once we have made all the changes we want, we save them by going to the lower left and clicking on the update button. So that's it. We have created a pie chart in a quick and easy manner using the Element Kits plugin and the Elementor page builder. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Paletech.